Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne. Thanks for coming back for another video. And I wanted to show you a cool thing I found and a little bit about how I researched it, so maybe this might help you when you're out there finding unusual things. So here it is. This is an ashtray, obviously. It's got the little rests here, but it turned out to be a cigar ashtray, which I didn't even know they made them. I've never smoked. My mom smoked a little bit when we were little, and so we had small ashtrays, but then she quit, and I just haven't been around it. So anyway, I thought that was cool. It's really heavy, and it's got this interesting motif around it, which is like an arena. And then the back, it's vintage and it's old, so it's kind of scratched up. But it's got this hallmark on it and the brand name Pontisa and made in Spain. So this was $1, and that's pretty much why I picked it up, because it looks unusual. It's got this wine image on it, which I will go over that in a minute. It's really heavy. It's got this mark on the back. It was made in a different country. You know, Spain is not known for producing cheap stuff like, you know, China or Taiwan, those kind of countries. So anyway, the wine on there, the guy is like a wine bottle who was also a bullfighter, you know, with his guitar. The wine is called Gonzales Bias, and Tio Pepe is the person who came up with this, I believe, the person who started the winery after I did my research. And this is wine that sells for like $50 a bottle, so it's expensive wine. So I'm thinking, oh, okay, now I'm getting into the research. I've already paid $1 for it. It's getting more exciting. And then I find that it's on this website called Big Ashtray, where people show pictures of cool ashtrays, whether they're cigar ashtrays or whatever. So I learned a lot about that. And there weren't any on eBay or Etsy or anywhere, really. So I priced this at $49, just keeping it under $50. Who knows what I'll get for it, but the reason I priced it that way was because even though I had no comps, a bottle of this wine starts at $50, and that's a consumable item. So I'm thinking, well, this is a collectible thing that somebody can put on their shelf or have out on their coffee table as a conversation piece. So it may be worth that to somebody. And also on the site bigashtray.com, those items are not for sale. They're just collectors showing off what they have. So all those things combined, that's just the price I put on it. Maybe I could have got more. I don't know. I just put $50 on it. I paid $1 for it. Also, this winery was started in 1847 in Spain. So people who know this brand and know this winery may want to buy something like this to collect. So just a little bit about my process there and how I looked this up. And you know, a lot of you ask, you know, how do you know if there's none online? How do you know if you should buy it? Well, if it's $1, you know, I'm not going to be out anything. I could keep it as a collectible or whatever. I'll, you know, at least get my $1 back at some point down the road. But it's just unusual looking, and I'm really getting into more of the collectibles and understanding what people want, you know, why they buy collectibles. And who knew there was a site called Big Ashtray for collectible cigar ashtrays. So that's why I love this business. It's just, you learn something every day, and it's just so fascinating that what people collect and what's out there that you can pick up for $1. So while all the people are in the Goodwill fighting over the purses and the handbags and that kind of stuff, I'm in the back looking at the junk, digging through the stuff that who knows what's back there. So would love your comments on this. Have you ever heard of a cigar ashtray? Have you ever heard of this brand of wine, or did you know anything about it? Because I sure didn't. So I hope that enlightens you and helps you in your eBay treasure hunting. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.